Good morning, it's UPBOptionMillionaires.com. It's 2 hours before the market's going to open on this Thursday, July 16, 2015. S&P 500 futures are higher, up over 0.4%. Look at the late day swoon we saw yesterday. Quickly recovered and then some into the close, as if this market action to the downside never even happened. A lot of fear for the Greek people and the riots going on, but guess what? The parliament approved the austerity measures. And the market just went on its merry way. Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off the record high prices we go. We don't care about the fear-mongering, hi-ho. Yeah, and if you look back, just this time last week, we were down significantly. At the lows here at support, the fear-mongering was at its height, its peak. Why the Greek crisis will crash the market. China's falling to pieces. Why the stock market will fall to zero. 8 reasons why you should sell everything and hide into a bunker. And you can see we've reversed course as we've had every single name sell off since the lows of March 2009 and look poised to take out new all-time record highs. Go figure. Amazing. We go from all those negative headlines. It's funny, you go to MarketWatch.com, it's like, why China will lead to a massive spike lower in asset prices. And then the next day when China recovers its losses, why the Chinese sell-off is done. Why you should buy China. So the financial media will spin you any way they want because they're just trying to sell clicks. But if you're trying to actually make money in this market, buying the dips has worked pretty well here. Look at the U.S. dollar index consolidating here. After hitting triple digits earlier this year, it's consolidating. Looks poised to take out that level. We also have the bond market, which is found support at about the 115 level. You can see it this morning. Looks poised for continued upside, but I don't think it's going to get much farther than this. And we're going to get a nice pullback. I don't know if I have TLT up. I'll bring it up in a second, but you can see Netflix. Beautiful chart breakout from earnings report. Guess what? Up to new all-time highs. And the analysts this morning are all over themselves, drooling to upgrade the stock. Netflix continues to move handily to the upside. We have Intel reported earnings. Yesterday, after Bell spiked to the upside, this head and shoulders pattern is still not negated here. I think we're going to get the move up to about 31 on Intel. And we're going to continue to the downside into the next earnings report. It's going to send the stock into the mid-20s. Go figure. We also have earnings. Who else? eBay this morning. eBay reporting earnings. They spun off PayPal. I haven't looked at the numbers yet, but you can see the chart looks very bullish here for eBay. It actually broke out. I brought this up numerous times over the last couple of years. This beautiful channel is breaking out of. That's very bullish for the stock. Heading up to new all-time record highs in Apple. So appealing last week at the lows. I got into some options, and that's why his timing is everything. Did not get into the options this week. We found support. Actually broke briefly below 120 last week. And the analysts are, again, just like Netflix, drooling all over themselves trying to get in on the game before the company reports earnings. It's up over 127 here pre-market. So congratulations to you Apple bulls that are in today. Some support plays here. Wynn Resorts remains very enticing. Look at this after the 190. Where did it get down to? $93 level. It's up over 103, and you can see this morning we should get a nice little start to the day as futures are higher, and we're going to get this up to a 110. And again, the analysts are going to be very bullish about the stock when it's at 130, 140, and 150. Down here, not so much. Not so much. They're very bearish. So the time the stock reverses course as far as the analysts are concerned, it's already going to be up 30-40%. I think that move is coming over the next week or two. You can also trade that via Las Vegas Sands. Las Vegas Sands, similar trend line support has held and now looks poised for upside. All right, UPB here, OptionMillionaires.com. I'll see you in the chat room. It's been a very interesting week. We get all these wild swings in the marketplace, opening the door for some significant moves in the option market. Everybody have a great Thursday. I'll see you in the chat room. Goodbye.